Angan? Di isda? Bye, Manny! Behave, love. We are now going to Buena Vista. Oh. Steve! We saw some seagull by the beach. Yeah, it was amazing. It was the seagull and the airplane hovering while we were by the beach. It's amazing. You say that in French. Toi, toi. 0. Oh, that's my alarm. Oo. Wala nang lakad. Iditch. Ugma, Payaw. Yeah. Tomorrow is Payaw Day. No, you will be with me and then you will just follow your mama to Buena Vista, yes? Yan lagi, hatod ka na ho. That's Mama's farm. Abandoned. Oh na, sige na, tayo na.
Ay, auntie.
Gusto mo switch tayo ng places?
Oh, Close kami ni auntie.
Ito, video key place.
Wala, may dyan sila mga ta. Ano yung mga tanim doon?
Mga lahat ng klaseng plants. Fab, you don't know the trail, the beginning of the trail? I can point out to you. Because you know already the trail going to the falls, yeah?
Yeah.
Because it's somewhere here. That's the house of Kuya Duji. The trail is coming up. Ha? Oh, bitaw. Si Kuan man to? Si Vinsoy. Ayan. That's the trail. This is the trail. That is the trail. See, it's easy. All the way up there. That's the trail is visible. Papunta doon yung yun. Actually, hindi siya Station of the Cross. Ano lang siya, may image ng Mama Mary, tsaka may parang grupo.
So everyone
Love, babe, you sit down, sit down. Yeah, oo. Last Holy Week,
last time, Holy Week.
super, daming tao daw.
pinaka-memory.
64 gig. It's a happy memory. So this is the trail going to the Busay Falls. reaching Barangay Bulawan. So this is Barangay Bulawan. So ang tawag ng ano dito, ang tawag na barangay na to is Bulawan. Pero ironically wala silang gold dito. Oh. May isang barangay na ang tawag Pinutan tsaka San Ramon, sila ang may gold.
Speed na espalto na daan.
Sinaman, bahay ni May. Ito, ano siya, tourist spot kasi siya.
Tourist pa talaga. Kaya nung wala priority.
Hmm. Lingkod, shh, kaka. Kaka. So, ang tawag dito sa village na yan, ano, parang Little Baguio.
Malamig.
Kasi malamig siya. Oh. Oo. Tawag dito para siyang Little Baguio din. Oh! There's some baka crossing, oh. See? Hi! Hi! How did you know that this is Tio Claro's place? Oo, sa kanila yan. Pinsa namin. Oo.
Ayos.
Ah, yeah, I saw it. Mga to sa tasa, kuan, mga to sa tasa ornamental garden for 15 minutes. Then after 15 minutes ato na ta sa kuan. Sa init pa man punos kaniga ka, mga to ta karon, init pa ron. Just enough to see the sunset and then we're going. Welcome to Barangay Buena Vista. Ha? Oh. This is it. We are now on Barangay Buena Vista. Yeah, their fiesta on Monday and Tuesday. Diretso lang. Yay! Hindi.
Ah, hindi ba? Eh,
Hindi siya.
Buena Vista pala yun. Hindi, mag-fiesta na sila. Masaya dito.
Ay, kasi may namatayan dyan. Majong hapon. Ano?
Ano po, katungkulan nito sa
Wala lang. Ano lang.
walang konsihal.
Wanda. So, proclaimed ano lang, tourism.
Pwede na,
Tourist, ambassador of tourism.
dapat next
Okay, we're here.